All right, folks. So it's day 76. We just woke up. We're gonna get our morning weigh-in on this Subway sub fast that we're doing. We've been doing a weigh-in every day. Let's see if the scale moved today. Yesterday, we seen no change, which was a good thing, and I expect either at least some loss or at least that same result, because that's just how scales work. But I feel like my I feel like I'm slimming down everywhere else. All right, still kind of dark, but all right. Let me go to the tiny bathroom. See you in a second. All right, so we're in the tiny bathroom now. The heat is on. I like weighing next to that heat. It feels so good on these cold mornings.
Hello. Please step on the scale.
Alright, let's wait for the lady to talk to me. I'll keep rocking. Every time I
Your
rock.
weight is 286.8 pounds.
Oh. Oh, so. 286.8 pounds. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Yes. The Subway Sub Fast has not been in vain.
Hello.
I gotta hear it again.
Please step on the scale.
That's beautiful. Ooh. Hi, lady, talk to me.
Your weight is 286.8 pounds.
What? We have blowed that 40 pounds out of the water and plus some. Alright, so I got a talking scale here. We're going to see how much it says away. Sorry about the background noise.
Hello. Please step on the scale.
If I can get stood up here right.
Your weight is 328.4 pounds.
Today we implement intermittent fasting, and we'll keep you posted as we go along. It is 10:30 in the morning. Well, actually I think it's closer to 11 a.m. right now. We'll just call it about 10:45. But haven't eaten anything yet, so keep you posted on how this goes. So overall, that is a 3.2 drop in weight. And just, when did I start? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 3.2 pounds in 3 days with a weigh-in every day. And it is Thursday. We got today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday to go. So we got about 4 days left. Sub fasting continues. We are not done yet. We are just getting started. Alright, so earlier me and the wife went to Subway. She decided to eat a sub with me today, showing her support, and I do appreciate that very much. I think
I think she's wanting to follow my results and have a little bit of that benefit for herself, which is very understandable, and I am there to support that for sure. She got the steak and cheese sub like I had yesterday, but she had it her way, which is a little different than the way I like them. She got hers toasted. I just like my subs not toasted, but they warm that steak up, regardless. But I got a friend of mine, suggested, which I had tried it before, but I got that cold cut combo today. I told you yesterday I was going to get it, and I just got it on regular Italian bread, and that's a outstanding flavorful sub. I mean, the meats really come through on that sandwich. Just like the BMT, they're kind of similar in flavor, but it was really good. I enjoyed the heck out of it. Well, I still got more of it to enjoy when I get back home. Oh, I'm sorry. Cut that air conditioner up a little bit. It's in the 70s today here, after a rainy, cold day yesterday. It all of a sudden decided to become springtime again. So, that cold air helped keep my little camera from overheating. I got the single unit going now. It gets hotter when it's not connected to its base, so I'm blowing that air on it so I can keep gabbing at you guys while I drive to go pick up my son. But man, I can't believe we had a 3.2 weight loss this morning. That is unfreaking believable. And we started this Monday, because Sunday we ate like crazy. We ate all those burritos. We gained a pound and something off of those, according to the scale. It was just undigested food, I know, but you can't deny the weight loss between Monday and today, because we were hitting at 290 pounds. So to be down to 286 proves my theory that the Subway Subfast is going to be a real phenomenon. If you're one of my current 15 subscribers and you're watching me, you are lucky to be here in the beginning of it all. Now, I don't know how far it's going to go, but I would like to think that I could help out more people out there by doing what I have done. I mean, all the time you see the skinny people already, start posting videos trying to promote certain things, certain diets and this and that. But they kind of slip in that intermittent fasting in places, don't they? They kind of slip it in there every now and then. Got me suspicious, and I knew we did that. We practiced that, and even some of the experts, like I showed you the other day, Dr. Fong, had plenty to say about intermittent fasting and the benefits of it. Generations before the internet boom. I noticed another social media influencer on YouTube today, a big name. This has been several of them here lately. Is promoting that Noom device that you breathe into, and it keeps track of your results on your smartphone. I'm thinking, man, that's a bunch of caca. That is a bunch of caca. you don't know what caca means, that means it's a bunch of crap. I'm here to tell you, you do not need a smartphone app. You do not need any kind of device to blow into tell you how to live your life. Do not shy away from old-fashioned common sense, ever. Because someday you will be in a situation where you're going to be without your devices. And if that day ever comes, common sense will do a lot to get you by. Now, I do not count calories, but I know those subs have different calorie amounts, so and I know you got to keep your body guessing too about what you're doing. I think if you eat the same sub sandwich every day, let's just say the lowest one, for example, the Veggie Delight. If that was your only meal every day as a means to lose weight, yeah, you're going to lose a bunch of weight, but your body's going to adjust and get used to that specific number of calories that you're taking in. I think swapping from the higher end subs like the BMTs and the chicken bacon ranch, which is the highest one I have not tried yet, and then some of the middle of the road subs like the one I ate today, the cold cut combo, is like what I call the middle of the road subs, because it's not too high in calories, not too low in calories. It's just about the sweet spot you need to be. My point is, because once you go to adding cheese and veggies and condiments on there, your count's going to go up, and it's going to vary from different sub-type sandwich to different sub-type sandwich. So I think it's very important to add a steak and cheese in there. My favorite lower calorie sub is actually just the plain Black Forest ham. They load that thing down with that ham. So at some point, if you want to experience a lower calorie sub, that Black Forest ham is the way to go, at least in my opinion. And then in the past, I have taken that Veggie Delight, and you've seen where I took pulled pork and added it to it and created my own special sub. So the Veggie Delight can be a blank slate in your life. If you feel like you need a ribeye steak, grill you up some ribeye steak, chop that thing up, put it on a Veggie Delight sub from Subway, and you got yourself a ribeye steak sub. That's how I'm gonna roll. So I've got some big plans for this now that I've got this started. I don't think I'm going to be able to back away from it, and I don't want to. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm either going to have a reset week of doing an entire week in between the Subway fasting, or I might just decide to have 1 to 3 days break and then back on the sub fast to experience, the American diet the way I like to experience it. I want my steak finger plate every now and then. I want my bacon double cheeseburger every now and then. I want that piece of birthday cake, when birthdays come up every now and then. But it's something I can always float back to now, can't I? And that's my plan going forward. The Subway is definitely going to be my main ultimate way of slimming down from now on, this point forward, until we get to our goal. That's all I have to say for now. I will talk to y'all in a little bit for afterthoughts. And also the eating of the second half of my sub. Stay tuned for that. Alright folks, so it's time for the second half of my cold cut combo. Look at that. That Subway didn't put as many vegetables on there
Oh, happy St. Patrick's Day, by the way. I'm wearing my new light green shirt. This is a different shade of green than I had on 2 days ago. But I don't know if it's going to look that way on camera. The other one was a way darker green than this one. This is a good sandwich. Very enjoyable sandwich. What a fantastic day. Weather's nice. It's St. Patrick's Day. If I didn't say it, I'm going to say it again. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I think I did. I got subs on the brain. I'm sorry. But, what an experience this has been. I can't tell you. How good these subs feel once they hit down in your gut and all them vegetables and that oil and vinegar. A lot of people, look at it like, oh, I'd get tired of that. No, you won't. You got chicken. You got steak. You got roast beef subs. Ham. Italian subs. Different types of cold cuts. You can change it up. You can change it up, and it's almost like a completely different meal. Come on. The most asinine thing I ever heard was one time back when I used to work warehouse. Someone told me all them sandwiches taste the same. No, they don't. Maybe you just have no imagination. I've never tried a just straight roast beef sub from there before. That one might be good warmed. Not the sandwich, but the roast beef. I don't know if they'll do that for me or not. But I will look into it. Maybe I'll make a special request. Last bite.
3 p.m. on the nose. On the money. That is food for today. We'll talk to you in a little while. Okay, so I really don't have any afterthoughts today, and I apologize for that, but I think this video speaks for itself about how happy I am with the work that I've put in this week. We will continue to weigh in the morning, and we will continue to finish out the sub fast and see how much further we can get by Monday's official weigh-in. So you guys be sure to tune in for that. Until tomorrow, you folks have a good one.